For more than 30 years, Lyco Manufacturing has been a world leader in liquid-solid separating equipment. We now have over 2,400 screening systems running in the food and beverage industry, as well as other industries that require screening solids from water. We are just shipping 3 more high-capacity reuse screens for cooling water for a data center. Lyco has offered internally fed single-drum screens since 1994. These screens are a flow-through design, meaning solids and liquid enter the deceleration head box to slow the incoming flow to the in-feed flume. Product enters inside the drum. The solids auger out the back, while the liquid drains out the screen. Internally fed screens are ideal for total wastewater or recirculating closed-loop systems. Lyco systems are built with a heavy-duty plate for the main frame, and they are the lowest cost of ownership screens on the market. Some key benefits include we use proven and reliable 5/8-inch cast centrifugal trunnion rings that are round within 15 thousandths of an inch. Lyco has supplied over 1,700 screens in all industries with this design, and we have never had a ring failure. That's why here at Lyco we offer a lifetime warranty. All Lyco screens are designed with wedge wire, which is self-cleaning. Wedge wire also helps shear water while running, and it has more open area than perforated screens. Lyco screens use spiral wrapping to prevent the drum from twisting. Our screens have full continuous flights which hold back water for better draining, so drier product comes out the discharge end. Our units come standard with a stationary spray header that can be timed off and on and can be adjusted for the specific application. Lyco offers 7 different size screens with capacities ranging from 500 gallons per minute up to 7,000 gallons per minute. Here at Lyco, we are constantly innovating and listening to our customers' needs. Our newest technology is called Smart Machine Monitoring System. This allows users to monitor the status of the trunnions and chain for the Lyco wastewater screens. The system can detect failures even before they cause a downtime situation or a catastrophic failure. So if you have any liquid-solid separating needs, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152 and ask for a sales representative.